Hello everyone, welcome back to Gen Z Real Tech Private Limited. If you are planning to invest in land or real estate, there is one term you must clearly understand before making any decision. The term is circle rate. Because understanding this one concept can help you avoid overpaying, ensuring legal safety, and making smarter investment choice. Let's start with the basics. The circle rate is the minimum value of a property defined by the government for a particular area. It is the rate below which a property cannot be legally registered. In simple terms, it is the government's benchmark price for land or property. This rate is decided by the district administration based on factors like location, road access, infrastructure, or market demand. Now you might wonder, why does this matter? Circle rate plays a crucial role in property registration, stamp duty calculation, legal valuation, loan approvals. Even if you buy a property at a lower price, the government will still charge stamp duty based on the circle rate or the transaction value, whichever is higher. So it directly impacts your total investment cost. Now, here's where things get interesting. In many years, especially high demand locations like Rishikesh, the market rate is often higher than the circle rate. Why? Because circle rates are revised periodically, while market demand changes faster. The gap creates two scenarios. One, if the market rate is higher, you pay more, but registration is based on the higher value. Number two, if the circle rate increases in future, your asset value automatically appreciates. So understanding this gap can help you identify undervalued opportunities. Many investors make a big mistake. They look only at the deal price but ignore whether the land is properly classified, correctly valued as per circle rate, legally compliant. If the circle rate is not aligned with documentations, it can create future legal and financial complications. That's why due diligence is critical. At Gen Z Realtech Private Limited, we use circle rates as a foundation for transparency. In our joint venture projects, land valuation is aligned with government prescribed circle rates. This ensures fairness between landowners and investors. It creates a structured and legally sound investment base. This approach becomes even more important in large developments like hospitality projects, villa development, land aggregation models. So before you invest anywhere in Uttarakhand, make sure you understand the fundamentals, especially in circle rate and legal valuation. And if you are looking for structured, transparent, and high potential investment opportunities, you can connect with us at Gen Z Realtech Private Limited. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on real estate investments.